Hello and welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me. We're back in the dahlia bed. We'll be here shooting some videos of all the different heirloom dahlias we have and that we're trying to expand. And joining us today is a dahlia bred by Welsh nurseryman Fred Trester all the way back in 1955, and that is the Dahlia Fashion Monger. It's a fun little dahlia. It's a dahlia that's called a collarette dahlia due to the shape of the flower petal. Now, overall, the petal will seem white, but on those white petals, it's this raspberry coloring that looks like brush strokes from an artist. It's a fun little dahlia, like an artist themselves just hit the petals just with a quick brush stroke. And then a fun little yellow eye. Like I said, it's something that you would see like an artist paint, child maybe. It's just an overall fun dahlia. If you're looking for something that has a little pizzazz in your garden, just liven it up. And another good thing about this dahlia, besides the pizzazz, is this dahlia itself is only a year old, but you do get a profusion of blooms on it. And it'll just keep blooming all the way through the fall until we dig it up for the winter time. And it's just a fun dahlia to have. It really is. Feel some raindrops, some much needed rain here in Connecticut. And a good thing about this dahlia, even though it's from 1955, it's not a hard dahlia to find. You can find it in many nurseries, especially online. And it's just a fun heirloom dahlia to grow. Again, it's Fashion Monger. Let me actually cut off one of these petals so you can have a look at it. This is a good one here. How about that? That's some fun coloring right there. Like I said, almost brush stroke petals. And it's fun whether just having a garden to have for cut flowers. Like I said, add some pizzazz. And that is it, everyone. Like I said, we'll be talking about dahlias some more. It's starting to rain here. I need to plant some delphiniums up to help expand our nursery stock here. And again, thank you for joining me. And until next time, bye-bye.